So I'm always being asked about all the different preserves that we make, and so as a bit of a treat I thought yesterday, because it was raining, we'd get out all of the different preserves, just one sample, one jar of each different type of preserve, and just show you the full range of preserves that we made this year. And yeah, let's have a look. So here's a little sample of what Debbie made this year. This is one of each here. All the cupboards are kind of full everywhere of various different preserves, and yeah, so I can't show you them all because they're kind of just scattered all over the place. But anyway, let me just step you through. So at this end we've got the pickles. So we've got pickled beetroot, pickled peppers, pickled cucumbers, and pickled red cabbage. And then we've got the chutneys, green tomato and pear chutney, and onion chutney, kind of red onion chutney, but not every one of those onions was red. Some chili jams. There's kind of a moderate heat and a hot version of those. And then raspberry vinegar, tomato passata, which includes peppers and onions and all that, and tomato stock, so kind of what's left over from making the passata. And then we've got the jams, so we've got pear jam, pear and vanilla jam I think, gooseberry and orange marmalade, that is a firm favourite, everybody seems to love that one. Rainbow currants, and grape jelly, God, that is a gorgeous one. And jumble jam, and you know, that is just a mix of everything of course, and everybody really likes that one too. And then we've got kind of the fruits, apple, rhubarb and strawberry, and just rhubarb all stewed. And then we've got mint syrup, and oregano and bay leaves. And what we've also got is kind of elderflower cordial in the freezer, loads and loads of berries in the freezer, apples in the freezer, you know, that's tomatoes, peppers and all of that sort of thing. But this is really just about the preserves. So I hope that gives you a good idea. Now we do have a database, which is no surprise to regular viewers, of all of the recipes that we use and all of the batches of all of these different preserves, so you can get an idea of the quantity that we make. And we make nowhere near as many preserves this year as we normally do, because partly because of the fuel prices and partly because just life's too short to spend all summer making preserves. So anyway, that is a nice sample, and if you want to look at the database you can find a link to that down below. And as I say, the recipes are all there, and they're all really just photographs of the pages of the relevant books. And if you look in the database in those recipes, you'll also find links to buy the actual books. They're not affiliate links, so we don't make any money out of that. So if you'd like to have a look at all these different recipes and things, then look down below and you'll find a link to the database with all the details. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.